Elephants use their ears to regulate their body temperature. Horses can sleep standing up. Crocodiles really do produce tears. Hippopotamuses are born underwater. The only continent without reptiles or snakes is Antarctica. Greyhounds can see better than any other dog breed. Shrimps are all born male but slowly grow into females. The night vision of tigers is 6 times better than humans. Sloths have the slowest metabolism of all mammals. Dolphins hear tones with a frequency up to 160 kHz with the greatest sensitivity. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. A cat can rotate its ears independently 180 degrees and turn in the direction of sound 10 times faster than those of the best watched dog. Goldfish can see both infrared and ultraviolet light. A giraffe can clean its ears with its 21-inch tongue. Frogs absorb most of the moisture they need through their skin. At birth, Dalmatians are always white. Ducks sleep with one eye open. Crocodiles can't stick their tongues out, while alligators can. A cat's urine glows under a black light. White cats with blue eyes are usually deaf. Cats have a wider field of view compared with humans. Cats can jump up to 7 times their height. Myrmecology is defined as the scientific study of ants. The stomach acids in a snake can digest bones and teeth but not fur or hair. Bats are the only mammals that fly. A cat uses its whiskers to determine if a space is too small to squeeze through. If a chameleon tongue was a car, it could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1/100th of a second. Armadillos can walk underwater. Roosters can't crow if they can't fully extend their necks. There are at least 1.5 million ants for every person on Earth. A squid has 8 arms arranged in pairs and 2, usually longer, tentacles. Snakes cannot blink. Dolphins can kill sharks by ramming them with their snout. Sharks do not like human meat. Sharks never stop moving even when they sleep or rest. The giant Pacific octopus can squeeze its entire body through a hole the size of its beak. Elephants can run up to 25 kilometers. Baby rattlesnakes are usually born in July and August. A golden poison frog has enough poison to kill 10 grown men. A bear in hibernation loses up to 25% of its body weight. Crocodiles continually grow new sets of teeth to replace old ones. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. A garfish has green bones. Ants can lift 50 times their own weight. It takes 5 years for an oyster to produce a medium-sized pearl. Polar bears have an excellent sense of smell, with the ability to detect seals nearly a mile away. The tallest mammal is the giraffe. The peregrine falcon is one of the best hunters. Less than 20% of shark attacks are fatal. A newborn kangaroo is about 1 inch tall. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Worker ants may live for 7 years and the queen up to 15 years. Bats make up 20% of all the mammal species found on Earth. All snakes are carnivorous. The tentacles of the giant Arctic jellyfish can reach 36.6 meters. Honeybees die after they sting a mammal. Bullfrogs do not sleep. There is an opposite of albino animals, which aren't white. but black. These are known as melanistic animals. A combination of isolation, extreme weather, and the arrival of humans on Wrong Island in the Arctic Ocean killed off Earth's last population of mammoths about 4,000 years ago. Eating polar bear meat can cause the possibility of negative side effects, particularly hypovitaminosis A, an excess of the vitamin that can be contracted from eating its liver. In late 2013, the first carnivorous mammal to be discovered within the Western Hemisphere was found by Dr. Christopher Helgren. It is called the Olinguito and is a member of the raccoon family. According to a study in 2016, the Greenland shark is the longest-lived vertebrate on the planet and can live up to 500 years. There is a strange sea worm that is nicknamed penis fish because of its shape and function. It is discovered ravens are very in tune with the feelings of the creatures around them. This empathetic trait had previously only been observed in primates. Roosters have special ears so they don't crow themselves to the deaf. It's illegal to own only one guinea pig in Switzerland, because they can get severely depressed when all alone. The Barolier Macropina microstoma fish has extremely light, sensitive eyes that can rotate within a transparent, fluid-filled shield on its head. In 2010, researchers in Seattle found that formerly captured crows were able to remember the face of their abductor even years after the incident. The Silverback Gorilla can lift to 10 times its body weight on average, a total of about 1,800 pounds, according to the Guinness Book of World Records. When it's an adult, the immortal jellyfish, scientifically named Turritopsis thorni, can transform its cells back to its childhood state. Blue whale calves grow 200 pounds per day for the first year they are alive. Gorillas can catch human colds and other illnesses. The flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down. Hippos can run faster than humans. Blue-eyed lemurs are one of two non-human primates to have truly blue eyes. Even after having its head cut off, a cockroach can still live for weeks. Cows have one large stomach that is divided into 4 compartments to go through the different stages of digestion. Only half of a dolphin's brain sleeps when it is sleeping. Squirrels have dichromatic color vision, cannot tell apart red and green hues. Tuna fish can swim at top speeds of over 40 miles per hour. The male seahorse goes through pregnancy and gives birth to babies. In years with low food availability, edible dormice can hibernate longer than 11 months. Koalas can sleep for up to 22 hours a day. A flea can jump distances 200 times their body length. Ayam samani is a breed of chicken from Indonesia. They have a dominant gene that causes hyperpigmentation, making the chicken mostly black, including feathers, beak, and internal organs. A study by researchers from University College London in 2011 revealed that trained ear can see light with wavelengths as short as 320 nm in the ultraviolet range. There's a species of fish called slippery dick. Some snakes, Komodo dragons, sharks, and turkeys are capable of virgin births, meaning asexual reproduction. Scientists can locate colonies of penguins from space just by looking for dark ice patches of penguin poop. According to researchers, bumblebees may be capable of scaling Earth's tallest peaks, flying higher than Mount Everest. Despite their dirty reputations, some wild boar carefully wash their food before pigging out. Female ferrets go into heat in their first spring and they will remain in season until successfully mated. If mating does not occur, the females will succumb to aplastic anemia and die most painful death. Zebra have poor eyesight and ostriches have poor hearing. These two have formed a symbiotic relationship through communicating and warning each other of danger. At birth, a baby panda is smaller than a mouse. Lemurs can be used as guards against coyote attacks on sheep herds. Studies have proven that just one guard lemur is an effective protector and can even kill the attacking coyotes. Some chickens are half male, half female. In 1945, a rooster named Mike lived 18 months without a head. Besides sucking our blood, mosquitoes urinate on our skin. Herrings communicate through farts.